All right, so we're putting scientific notation in the calculator. One of the most important things is to make sure you use your parentheses. Because if you don't, calculators are designed to calculate how you enter them. Okay, it's kind of like coding. If some of you have ever tried to code um, on a Chromebook or whatever, trying to do some sort of coding on your phone or anything, it's giving it different operations. So if we let's take some of our examples that we did, all right, from our notes, and when I enter these in, I'm gonna start my parentheses, enter my number 1.08 times. So we're gonna times here 10. Whoops. We're gonna raise it. Now you don't always have to put your exponent parentheses, but if it's negative, it's important to put that in parentheses. Okay. So -3, I'm going to end my parentheses. You're going to have to arrow down because it won't always go down for you. End it. Now, depending on what operation you're asking it to do, if we're multiplying, we're going to click multiply, and we're going to start new parentheses. Here in the second part, 9.3 times, whoops, that's just x, times 10. We're going to raise that 10, put this in parentheses, -3, parentheses, and end our parentheses to enter. Okay, that's how you're going to type it into a calculator. Yes, there's a lot of parentheses. Yes, it's important you put them in the right place. Okay, so your calculator can do all this for you. All right, but you're going to have to be patient and put it in the right way. Some of you all get really impatient. You just want to type, 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 get the answer. Okay, so it can do it for you as long as you're patient. Let's say we're doing a division problem. All right, again, I'm going to start with the parentheses. 7.1 times 10 raised to the 6th power. And since it's positive, I'm not going to put it in parentheses because I don't need the negative inside of there. In my parentheses, divided by, and it puts it over it for me here. It's kind of a good visual for some of you all. Whoops, forgot my parentheses there. 8.2 times 10 raised to the 1st power in my parentheses. Enter. It's going to give me this long answer. All right. Now we want to convert this into scientific notation. You can either do it yourself and look at it and go, oh, I'm going to move it to the left times this, or we can try to do it right here on the fly. No. Well, why ain't it showing me that? No, that ain't working. So it ought to do it for me. Well, anyway, if it don't do it for you, we're going to move that decimal 1, 2, 3 places left. And if I go to the left, that means what? I'm just messing with you. If your number is greater than 1, your exponent will be positive. Okay, if my number is greater than 1, my exponent will be positive here. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 places left. So that'll be 8.659 times 10 to the 4th power. Okay, that one did scientific notation. That one didn't. That don't make any sense. It ought to do it. No, function, sine, cosine, tangent. Oh well. Maybe you'll just have to convert those. And this will let me do it. Sometimes an E is what they use for scientific notation. But that one did it. Oh well. Anyways, that's how you put that in a calculator. Same thing with addition. If you're adding them, make sure you have everything in parentheses. Okay. And then have your addition sign between your parentheses. Okay. The parentheses kind of closes all that in and it lets it know. All right.